So today on Ratchet Garage, we're gonna be busting out the old titanium MIG welder from Harbor Freight. You already know me, boy. We're gonna do some repairs, I guess. So on the K20 RSX, well, there's 24s, but anyways, that's a swap. This stainless steel hair I got, it's like a 2-to-1, so it's actually it's like a 3-piece, but I'm getting a code for basically P0171, which is intake or exhaust leak, which I have the exhaust leak, and that sucker is broken, or it's got some crack welds. I did some hood wrap stuff and I put some JB oil just so I can see if it would work. I know JB oil ain't gonna work on fucking exhaust, but I did it anyway. So I'm gonna remove this header, which is just, let me count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts, and then on the part that connects to the cat back has 3, but I'm only using 2 because I'm ratchet boy, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna take that off. Probably not gonna show you that because it's just, you know, unbolt and take apart the sensors. I'm gonna take it off and we're gonna weld. All right, it's been like 20 minutes and I have the 5. It's actually just 5. Ooh, that was put in bed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is just a stud, but it came out with everything. Now the header is loose. Now I just got to take it apart from the bottom and unhook the O2 sensors. All right, so we are jacked up now on Mountain Dew, and now we got to get to the O2 sensor. Because we got to hook the O2. I mean I guess the only thing holding it is the damn wire. So we got to hook this one and this one, and then unbolt those two, and we'll start welding. Check back in a bit. So let me give you a rundown where it's leaking. That's actually a bag that got cut underneath. So this is where I thought I would be slick and put JB Weld just for time being, but it just flakes off. And so this is all JB Weld. It's got a crack in there, but the bigger crack that I saw, which is that one right there. This one right there, it basically goes all the way around. So I might have to try to get in there, but it looks like it's gonna snap. So I'm not a certified welder, so these welds are gonna be ugly. Just a heads up, you know. But you got a welder. So, and if this was a customer car, I would not be welding it. I would say, here, sir, take that. Somebody who knows what the hell they're doing. So yeah, I'm gonna put you on a time lapse. I'm basically gonna grind that to where it's clean. And then I'm going to grind around there and weld that. I'll probably take the O2 sensor off and this one as well, just to be safe. Better safe than sorry. So yeah, I don't know, I might weld this, but anyways, we'll see. Once again, disclaimer, I'm not a welder, but that's some pretty good weld in my opinion. Throw a flashlight in there. I mean, they're not pretty, but you don't see any light coming through, so I am good with it. Once again, my car, and I am okay with it. I'll put it back on. Alright, so everything's back on, header's back on, O2, and the oxygen sensor, and the other one, the air fuel ratio sensor is back on. Bolts are tight, still got 2 on there, but we're gonna send it with that, and hopefully it works. I'm gonna drive it around for a bit, see if that check engine light comes back on, and if it is on, I'm gonna clear it, and then I'll probably do an update before I upload this on how it went.